one of the things that restoration contractors want to do is find other ways, other avenues to increase profits with their company. And I'm here with Craig Vaughn with Georgia Carpet, and there's a way to do that that many might not have thought of as far as what they can do for their clientele. Why don't you tell us what that is?
Well, what it actually is when you can't clean it, you can't scrape it up or whatever the problem is, then you've got to replace the flooring. And usually the restoration people go to someone else and sub the job out or give it away.
They let it go.
They lose the profitability, and there's a 30 to 40% profit in the Exactimate hardware for them to make this profit if they're just leaving.
Okay.
And they're already there, they're the first person there, they're the best person there.
So instead of telling the customer, go to your favorite carpet retailer or your big box store to buy carpet, we can take care of you.
That's
the
absolutely
concept.
correct. That's where we're trying to fill this niche and help the people and help ourselves at the same time.
All right. Well, I hope those watching this see the logic of that and contact you for help.
If they don't, just contact us and we'll try to be a little bit more precise.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.